MRADAV Public School presents Art Integration Project on District Kangra in Himachal Pradesh by the students of class 10th.
Exploring Himachal. Himachal Pradesh is covered by natural beauty like abundant greenery, beautiful waterfalls, mountain ranges, and deep valleys. The state is also known for its amazing temples, that is why it is also called Land of Gods or Devbhumi. Kangra. Kangra is the most populous district of the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. It is one of the most beautiful part of our earth. Kangra is known for having the oldest serving royal dynasty in the world, the Kotage. Kangra originally was a part of the ancient Triratha, which comprises the area lying between Satluj River and Ravi River. Kotage princes ruled over Kangra from the earliest times. After the death of Maharaja Ranjit Singh, British defended the Sikh forces. During the British rule, the fort remained in their control. Kangra district was formed on 1st September 1972 after the reorganization of all the districts by the state government of Himachal Pradesh. Kangra was the part of British province of Punjab. Kangra district occupies the second position in the term of sex ratio among the districts of the state with 1012 females per 1000 males as compared to 972 females per 1000 males of the state average. The climate in the region is cool and smoothing. Seasons in Kangra. Summer season in Kangra. The temperature during summer in Kangra varies between 22 degrees Celsius to 38 degrees Celsius, but you can also be surprised by a sudden change in weather anytime. For trekking, this is the best time to visit Kangra. March to June is the duration of the summer season. Monsoon season in Kangra. Although Kangra Valley gets guarded with lush and fresh greenery in the monsoon, it does not get messed up because of the heavy rain. This season is here for 3 months that are July, August and September. Winter season in Kangra. December to February is the period of winter. Sometimes the temperature descends to 4 degrees Celsius and makes the environment truly chilly and bitter. Snowfall can also be seen in the high ridges of Kangra district at this time. Famous places of Kangra. The Kangra Fort. The Kangra Fort was built up by the royal Rajput family of Kangra state, the Kotage dynasty, which traces its origins to the ancient Trigarata kingdom mentioned in the Mahabharata epic. It is the largest fort in the Himalayas and probably the oldest dated fort in India. The fort of Kangra resisted Akbar's siege in 1615. Here are some pictures of the famous Kangra fort. Kangra Art Museum. Museum of Kangra Art at Dharamshala is committed to play a constructive role not only in protecting and preserving the art heritage of the past but also spreading awareness among the people about the splendid culture heritage by presenting original source material and evidences of human creativeness and enterprise. The Kangra region of Himachal Pradesh has vast potential in the field of art and archaeology. This region is also known for worldwide for inimitable Kangra miniature painting that has brought Himachal Pradesh on the art map of world. In order to protect and preserve that splendid heritage, the Museum of Kangra Art was established on 17 January 1990 at Dharamshala. Temples of Kangra. Chamunda Devi Temple. Chamunda Devi Temple is renowned as holy shrine of Hindus, located in Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh. This temple is known to be 16th century old. This temple stands on the bank of the famous Ganga river. Baglamukhi Temple. Baglamukhi Temple in Kangra is of great historical importance. Bathu Ki Ladi. The Bathu temples, known locally as Bathu Ki Ladi, is a cluster of temples in Kangra district of the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. These temples were submerged in Maharana Pratap Sagar, a reservoir created by Pong Dam in early 1970s. It is believed that the temple was built by the Pandavas and they also tried to build the stairs to heaven, but they did not succeeded in that. Here are some pictures of this temple. Crops of Kangra. Rabi crops are the main crops of Kangra. The crops which are grown are wheat, barley, coffee, oilseed, etc. With all this, Kangra also has a great variety of adventure tourism. Paragliding. The Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh is one of the best paragliding sites. There is an adventure sports hostel at Dharamshala and an aero sports complex at BIR. Indhar Pass. Indhar Pass is a mountain pass in the Dhuladhar range of Himalayas, located at an altitude of 4,342 meters, approximately 14,245 feet above sea level, near the tourist town of Dharamshala in Himachal Pradesh. Indhar Pass from the border between Kangra and Chamba districts. It is a part of a very popular trekking route of Dharamshala. Best trekking season is the month of May to October. Here are some pictures of paragliding and trekking. Rajuganda Trek. Rajuganda, often referred to as the heart of valleys in the northern India. This valley is situated under the foothills of Dhuladhar mountain range and consists of a very high snow mountains. The top of hill is approximately 2400 meters high from sea level. Reaching the top gives you the best view around quite a long distance. This valley is well known for trekking, camping and angling. Also, it is a place where you can experience true nature and the wildlife. The valley we are talking about is the blessed with life where one can feel abundance of positive energy. Here are some pictures of the view we see from the top and people hiking. Dal Lake. Dal Lake is a small mid-altitude lake 1775 meters above sea level near the village of Tota Rani in Kangra district in North India. The name Dal Lake is taken from Kashmir's Dal Lake. The lake is surrounded by deodar trees and is considered to be a scarce spot as there is a small Shiva mandir on its bank. Kareri Lake. Kareri Lake is the best known for being a trekking destination in the Dhuladhars. Kareri Lake is high altitude, shallow, freshwater lake south of the Dhuladhar range approximately 9 km west of Dharamshala in Kangra district, Himachal Pradesh.
Worship is an act of war against the enemy of our hearts. The Ambika Devi temple situated in Kangra is home to the idol of goddess Ambika. She is the deity of family of kings in Kangra. Even though attackers like Muhammad Ghazni and Britishers and various earthquakes have crossed her path, though her idol remains still intact. There is an air of fascinating surreal charm which makes that place aesthetic. Thank you. Thank you so much for viewing the project.